kind of image, me never really fall. Swerve and a dip, swerve and a dip. Girl, turn your body, me never hurt nobody. And girl, personally, you have the curve and assist. Pan the fish, me play 6, come tear some of this. Yo, buddy, come bounce, pan the body. Take it off, take it raw, me never coming in a hurry. If you no roll where you ball, then me coming and you tummy. Now you wall, let me fall. Me grip up on your pussy. I say you go on, say you go on, say you go on. But girl, come back for the back shot. 2 and twist, or you down for the action. I say you nah, miss me no need no reaction. Watch it. Me have a jelly for your belly, but me never want swelly. Yeah, the fuck too hot, coulda done a New Delhi. Yeah, you like this, fuck, that's cool. Get ready, pan your man's get, up on your man's get. Don't stop, say you love a fat cock, that's cool. Come back, let me get deduction from you. Slow dance when you hear them play my tune. Hold on, let me get a baby from you.
Yo, buddy, come bounce, buddy, take it off, take it raw, me never come in and a hurry for no run.
Listen to what I done told you now. Remember, before you judge me, judge your mustache me. Okay. So what had happened was these was large and extra large shrimpies. Okay. They shrunk down quite a bit. All right. Because what had happened was I had I turned the eye off but left the skillet on the eye. As you can see, it's a little steam still protruding. I don't know if y'all catching on camera because I turned up the light off, but it's a little steam protruding from the skillet now. Okay. What had happened was that's what had happened. Now I know they look a little yellow in tint. That is not curry. That is turmeric. Okay. So this is just a shrimp meal prep. I know some of the shrimp look like soup, but it's a shrimp meal prep. I had intended on eating after my workout, but I ain't get started until late, which means I ain't finished until late. Which means I was sitting here trying to peel 50 shrimp before it was time for me to get in the shower. Okay. So and I washed them twice and rinsed them once. Okay, I rinsed them off. Okay, rinsed them off. But yeah, so I cleaned them with apple cider vinegar and water the first time. So then when I peeled them, some of them still had the poo vein in there with the tail long, so I had to peel it and peel the poo out of there, and then I washed them again with apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and water again. So then twice removed from that situation, I flipped it, dipped it, and then rinsed them off again. Okay, and then I seasoned them to taste. Okay, everything but salt. That's why I look like a lot of seasoning. I use a mixture of safflower and olive oil, sunflower and olive oil, because I ain't want to open my brand new thing of grapeseed oil. Okay. Add a little teriyaki marinade off up in there. That's why the juice is loose, because you can have this multiple ways. I was gonna have it over noodles tonight, which I ain't even get around to, with some bird eggs. Okay, I ain't get turned. Okay, I was also gonna have it at work for a work meal maybe Friday, because I have half a salad left, so I might put some. I am gonna put some in the container, take them to work, put them with, and make a shrimp salad since I got half of a salad left. Okay, and then I got some, pre-game bag rice, white rice. I also got some steamed white rice already in the fridge down. I'm probably gonna take that. That's what I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna pack the steamed rice. I feel like salad ain't gonna be enough. I'll eat the salad and the shrimp over rice. Let me pour the juice and get loose, and then pack my lunch bag because I'm late. I've been getting in the bed at 2 a.m. for the last 3 nights, and until can't be, I be tired. Okay, but I did take a nap today. Yesterday, I mean, take a nap after work. Okay, but this is the shrimpies. Okay, I get a little long wind. It's already been 3 minutes. It was supposed to be 1. Bye.